Dito kami kakain ngayon. After manonood kami ng movie. Twin Fish. Dito kami, tapos na kaming kumain. Mag-celebrate ng birthday ni ate. Na-surprise. Surprise songs. I thought he will come to our table and then they sing. So, dito kami sa Courtney Park. Ayan ang cinema. Diyan kami nunod ng sine. Oo nga. Hindi, yung in-order namin, masasarap. Eh, hindi ko alam yung order namin, hindi ko ang tandaan. Huwag mang iskang ko.
Get in there, hell yeah.
Okay. Yan.
It'll spray ya.
Dito kami sa Courtney Park, Mississauga. Yan. Moxis, Montanas. Next time we go to Montana. Montana. Saan tayo dadaan? Courtney Park? Sarado naman daan. How do dito kami sa Horontario and Courtney Park. Yan. Gulat. Eh kung pinip 10% ko yung 200, 10 siguro. Eh nibigyan ko lang 10, sakong 200. Yeah. Yung beef mo, ang mahal eh. Kala ko steak, kaya tigis sa ni card. It's not steak. Eh, ikaw naman, order ka, palibas, hindi mo alam.
Hindi naman natin alam eh.
I thought it's steak. It's a soup. It's like a soup.
So, we never come back anymore. I Mala sa gasolina highway, Clar.
Kasi mabilis ang takbo
Oo.
ng makina mo. Ay, sorry.
We can force on. Hindi aabot. Yellow. Basic girl. This man.
Tikit-tikit.
Wala mag-walking dahil kung nakain.
They go for like 100.
They're not like they're pretty shitty numbers. It's so bizarre.
Without anything.
So this is Christmas. What have we done? Still need to arrive to
Seafood City. We will buy a cake or a tea. Seafood City and Jollibee. No, it's me.
The trap ko na kayo rito dahil mag-gano'n kami ng parking.